As you know, US government and DJI cannot get along anymore, and this kind of hurts the consumers or enthusiasts in the United States. So we had to find other ways to order it. So I went ahead and ordered the DJI Neo 2 from Amazon. It's just arrived. I just want to make a simple unbox video to share with you guys my new DJI Neo 2 drone with the Fly More combo. In this combo, I should get the drone, 3 batteries, battery charger, the Occusync antenna where you screw it in the back of the drone, and I think RC N3 remote. I already have the RC2. I won't be using the RC N3 too often, but it's nice to have it as a backup. All right, looks like a very nice package. Fly More combo bundle, Fly More. All right. Let's see what comes in the box. It's a lot bigger than my DJI Neo Fly More combo. Of course, this did not include the RC N3. So there's this goodies box. Underneath, I have the drone, which is the Occusync antenna already mounted. Just to show you guys quickly, size-wise, to my little Neo, here's the size from top down. Neo is about, I want to say, 15-20% smaller than this. It's still a small drone. And here's the size comparison. Here's from the front with the camera covers on. Here's from the bottom. Neo doesn't have the battery installed. Interestingly, Neo 2 has all these sensors, and the battery this time around is on top, and one battery already installed. And these antennas, if you're curious, they're not moving, they're just fixed to this position. And this particular part secured to the drone with 4 screws. Very compact packaging. You get typical DJI stickers, a Phillips screwdriver to remove those 4 screws in the back, and to work on the drone if there's any other screw. I'm gonna go ahead and read this cover to cover. There's DJI Neo 2 booklet, and let's see what else is in there. Okay, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and this appears to be 2 batteries and the fast charger where the batteries reside. Right here. This time around, batteries are sitting like this on top of the charger, whereas in the previous Neo, they were kind of like put in like this from top to bottom. Again, size-wise, even the battery charger is about 15-20% bigger. Batteries themselves, let's compare the batteries. I know this is not a comparison video, but I want to show you guys anyway. They're about same size, but these are possibly more powerful batteries since the drone is bigger. I certainly like the older Neo's battery charger. It was so easy, just drop it in. Yeah, to place the batteries in, you simply put both sides in, kind of feel it with your hand and press it down. It's a bit inconvenient comparing to this. I mean, look how easy is this. I can do it with one hand, but I guess eventually I'll get used to it. And then the battery status indicators are on top of the batteries, whereas these batteries did not have any of that. You simply look at the indicators on the side of the charger. Of course, we have the RC N3 remote. Here's the remote. Typical. Put your cell phone up top, secure it, connect with this cable, you're all good to go. And here are the sticks for controls. And to compare it to my RC2, I have an accessory to protect the screen, but this is what it looks like. And this is the RC N3, the comparison for you guys. And then the backs are like this. This is slightly bigger. It has a speaker. It has a micro SD card port on it. Fairly sophisticated device. As you all know, you can fly Neo 2 with gesture control as well. I'll go ahead and put the Amazon link where I bought this from at the description of this video. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to go ahead and order through that link. That way you'll support my channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you. I just want to tell you why I upgraded. DJI Neo has been great. We love it a lot. We take it everywhere pretty much we go when we go to a hiking or a small bike trip and stuff like that. I'm very happy with it. It doesn't have sensors, LiDARs, and all that good stuff, but hey, this little guy has been very good and I'm very happy with it. However, there was a wish list of things I wish this little Neo had it, and almost 90% of those wishes became reality with the DJI Neo 2. One of them was the dual axis gimbal. What that means is the Neo can go only up and down with its camera like this. And with the Neo 2, you have dual axis, goes up and down and side to side, kind of like a chicken's head, which is really cool. Neo 2 has 360-degree sensors all around, which is one here, and then I think maybe there's one here too. There's a LiDAR sensor here. There's a screen over here, simply tells you which mode you're doing, if you're doing one of those preset modes, like the, droney, circle, shooting star or something. I don't know the names exactly. So that's pretty cool. Whereas older Neo had all that stuff on top, you changed it with this little button. Another thing I noticed is the propeller design is different on Neo 2. It has this curves at the end, at the tips of the propellers. I assume they changed the sound signature of the drone as well. This one has an internal antenna to be able to fly with the RC2 remote or the RCN3 remote. I think with this one, they removed those internal antennas and put it in this little Occusync 4 module in the back. There's a Type-C port. I think it plugs into that Type-C port and secured with the 4 screws here. Type-C port at the bottom of this for charging the drone without removing the battery or connecting the drone to your computer, whereas this guy has it in the back already, as you see right here. Okay, so pretty much that's about it as far as differences goes. It has a cage for the propellers all around, just like the Neo 1. That's a good thing. I'm glad they kept that. It really helps. From what I hear, this drone is a fairly resilient drone, same as this guy. Oh yeah, there's another cable for this guy. For the older iPhones, the ones take a lightning port. You get 2 additional propellers, and there's nothing else in the box other than a little silica package. First accessory I got for this. It's a really cool storage case. One caveat, it doesn't work with the Occusync antenna in the back. So this is for those days if I want to take my drone to a walk and fly it with the gesture control or something. It's from a brand called Sunny Life. It looks like a nice little secure case. So it has 2 loops on the top, so you can hang it from your belt, your neck or something if you want to. So today I'm not gonna fly this. It's super cold out there here in Omaha, Nebraska. I think the whole United States is under the Arctic cold coverage. -5 Fahrenheit right now. It's around -21 Celsius. I just want to say thank you for watching and unboxing my new DJI Neo 2 with me. I appreciate you. I have so much content about the gizmos I purchased, as well as tons of content about the coffee, espresso, grinders, machines. So feel free to check it out. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and drop a line for me. If you already own this, let me know how do you like it. I'm really looking for true answers, like kind of like this video, coming from a person who bought this with their own money. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next TEO'S Take video. Have a delicious day.